The pin-tailed whydah, Whydah macrura, is a small songbird with a conspicuous pennant-like tail in breeding males. It is a resident breeding bird in most of Africa south of the Sahara Desert. The pin-tailed whydah is 12 to 13 centimeters in length, although the breeding male's tail adds another 20 centimeters to this. In Portugal it is established in the region around Aveiro, with observations occurring north and south of it. It has also been introduced to Southern California, Puerto Rico, and Singapore. The species is a brood parasite which lays its eggs in the nests of estrilded finches, consists of rapid squeaking and chewing. The diet of this species consists of seeds and grain.